Today we'll be tracing copywriting and how to become, and also who is a copywriter. Now we're going to be giving knowledge on how to become a very good copywriter. But before that, you need to understand that words have power. With that knowledge, you'll be able to increase your worth in the market of copywriting. Now don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I release new videos. Now let's begin. This is a recipient and a salesman having a conversation. Now the recipient happens to be a very big businessman. The salesman offers this recipient, who is a businessman, a contract. Now the recipient being like, what the hell is this? Okay, let me just read through it and see what he has to offer. Read through it, and we are United Bank and blah 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 blah. And it be like, what is this? Are you serious right now? Now the next day, another business salesman comes to the recipient and offers him the same contract. And the man said, okay, let me see what this one has to offer. And he goes through it and he reads through it. Now this is it. He said, invest with Marvel Bank where your money is secured and very low rate of transaction. The man loves this a lot. Now here is why. The salesman A is given a product, while the salesman B is given an offer. Now the contract letter given by the salesman reads, we at United Emirates Bank give the best service to all our customers. We love you to bank with us. We are the best bank. We love and blah 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 blah. What the hell is that? There is no offer. There is nothing the man is going to gain from banking with him. Now the second one comes. He said, invest with Marvel Bank where your money is secured and very low rate of transaction is offered. We pay interest for every business your money is used for. Accountability, transparency, and fast response are what we have to offer always. Come on, this is human sense of living. They always want to gain. We always want to have interest in everything we do. And this salesman is giving the man an easy way to do that. We won't have this offer. We won't take this offer. I mean to say, it's easy to make interest just by saving. Come on, that's what the man wants. Now, this will take us to what is copywriting. Copywriting is simply salesmanship in print. It is simply the using of words to compel people to buy a product or service. In this case, you're actually selling the offer and not the product. Now, in our next video, we're going to be giving you hints on how to start copywriting. Just ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we release new videos. Thank you and stay with us.